All right, what's up, guys? Today I'm working on my motorcycle, and today I'm going to do a quick tour review. It's only going to take a couple minutes, maybe 2 minutes tops. I'm just going to demonstrate how to use it, why I bought it, and why it's super useful. It's a hammer screwdriver, and you know what? I think the proper name for it is an impact screwdriver, but if anybody's ever dealt with a screw, a flathead, or a Phillips screw that they can't get loose, they can't break loose, or one that's stripped, this thing is super useful. I got it from Harbor Freight. I had it upside down. Oh, it is called an impact screwdriver. But I got mine from Harbor Freight, and I think I paid less than $10 for it. But I dealt with a couple screws that were almost stripped on this motorcycle that I'm going to replace when I put it back together. But impact screwdriver, I'm going to show you how it works real quick. Give me 1 second. Okay, so this is what the set looks like. They sell different bits for it. This one comes with Phillips and flathead bits. And this is actually the screwdriver. I'm going to set you up on a stand real quick and show you how it works. So the way this works is you install, oh yeah, by the way, this also comes with a 1/2-inch drive. I forgot to mention that, but that thing's super useful also. If you have bolts or nuts or anything like that you can't get off, or just can't break loose. But the way this works, I use this just as an impact screwdriver. Again, the way this works is you put the bit in there, and let me make sure you can see the whole thing. Okay, so I'm just gonna demonstrate on a block of wood how to use it. But you put the bit in there. I'm actually just gonna put a punch in it and just show you what it looks like before. So that is the spot where I started. See, that's actually it right here. And again, I'm just gonna show you how it works real quick. But if you've ever dealt with a strip screw, strip bolt, anything like that, this thing's super useful. Put this back in there, and once you put pressure, downward pressure on this, it actually rotates and breaks it loose. So you don't ever have to worry about stripping bolts. But I'm gonna do this real quick and then show you it on the board. And you can see as you hit it, it puts pressure on the impact driver, and it turns it slightly, just enough to break it loose. You may have to do it a couple times depending on what you're working on. But again, this thing is super useful. As always, make sure you like, subscribe. I do a bunch of tool reviews. I work on a bunch of stuff. It's usually DIY stuff, quad stuff, small engine stuff. I'm going to throw how to clean a carburetor on there really soon. I work on my car. I work on a bunch of different stuff. I do this stuff as a hobby, and I just like fixing my own stuff. But anyways, I'm going to link this in the description. Let me know what you think. If you know of a better tool, let the world know. Comment below. Anyways, I'm out.